News that's breaking this minute, the latest update in the Sushant Singh case, the drug probe there further exploding. Mirror now has access the NCB remand copy of the alleged drug peddler Basit, who has been sent to the NCB custody till 9th of September. The remand copy, in fact, mentions the name of Souvik and Samuel Miranda, further revealing that Basit also said that the drugs had linked to Souvik and Basit procured the drugs as per Souvik's instruction. Let's first listen into a reaction there coming in from Tariq Syed, who's the lawyer of Basit.
It is admitted it is a bailable offence, but still they have been remanded to custody.
So what was the reason behind seeking remand in a bailable remand?
You can't seek a remand in a bailable offence, but they have sought it and the magistrate has granted it. So now we will challenge that order in the High Court. 9 days. 9th of September. There are friends who may have exchanged some messages. These guys are attributing it to purchase and sale of drugs. That's all. There's nothing else. Against this boy, there is nothing.
So they have detained some more people also and they're questioning them. So
they may question them, but ultimately the quantity is only small quantity in respect of every and everything that they are investigating. There is no recovery from him. There is no cash recovery also. So and his statement is also there is an allegation that at the most he dealt with 5 grams of ganja.
Let me go across to our deputy news editor Mayuresh, who's joining me live, getting us further updates on this. Mayuresh, this is a very important update now coming in with regards to the remand copy of the alleged drug peddler Basit, which we have accessed very clearly for the first time, perhaps mentioning the name of both Souvik and Samuel Miranda. Take us through the details of what else the remand copy mentions about the links that are now emerging and the names that have been made public by the NCB at this point.
Absolutely. In remand copy, NCB has clearly mentioned that they are probing the case of Sushant Singh Rajput, and in that case, they are probing the drug angle. So while seeking the remand of Basit, who's accused and also he's a small-time drug peddler, NCB has clearly mentioned that in his statement he has accepted that he deals in a drug, and on the request, or we can say after Souvik gave him instruction to get the drugs and deliver it to the Samuel Miranda, he used to do that. So it is first time in the remand copy. Now NCB has mentioned the direct links of Souvik as well as Samuel Miranda after one of the accused, we can say one of the arrested accused, Basit, had confessed to the NCB that he used to deliver drugs to the Samuel Miranda and he used to take those drugs, contrabands, from Zaid as well as from another person called Jason, and he used to deliver it to the Samuel Miranda. So certainly Basit has basically confessed and he has given this links to NCB, and today he was produced in the local court here, and local court has given a remand of Basit to NCB till 9th of September. Back to you.
All right, Mayuresh, request you to stay with us at this point. We're getting more updates now coming in. These are sources that are now telling Mirror Now that Souvik was given the option to join the probe at the Colaba office by the NCB, but Souvik chose to be escorted by the NCB, citing media presence. Furthermore, there are also sources that are indicating that the arrest of Samuel Miranda and Souvik will be made only if material evidence is found. So these are very important updates now coming in as per sources that are indicating of the fact that the arrest of Samuel Miranda and Souvik will be made only if material evidence is found. Let me once again go back to my colleague Mayuresh for further understanding on this. Mayuresh, we have been reiterating time and again that both Souvik and Samuel Miranda are neither detained nor arrested, but whatever is happening right now as part of NCB is procedural. What are your sources indicating at this point? Because they are, of course, now indicating that they will be arrested only and only if material evidence is found.
Absolutely, and that's the procedure, because if no material evidence gets found against Souvik or against the Samuel Miranda, so certainly they cannot get arrested. But as our sources are indicating, that after much grilling and after the home search which happened at both the places, one at Souvik's residence and another at Samuel Miranda's residence, if some concrete and material evidence NCB gathers against these two people, then only they will go ahead and they will show them arrest. But as of now, again, we'll tell our viewers that though Souvik and Samuel Miranda had come, or we can say that NCB had escorted them from their respective residence to the NCB office, but neither they have been arrested nor they have been detained by NCB. Right now, what is happening on the third floor of this building behind me, Exchange Building, there is NCB office. On the third floor, the questioning is on. They are asking them more questions, and there is a chance that both of them, Samuel Miranda and Shobik, may face a joint interrogation of NCB, because here the first time NCB has clearly mentioned the links which Basit had confessed that he used to purchase the drugs, contrabands on the instruction of Shobik, and he used to deliver that to Samuel Miranda.
All right, Mayuresh, many thanks for joining us and bringing us an overall update on this case. We'll, of course, come back to you for all the latest. Let me also go across to my colleague Alok for further understanding of all the drug links that have so far emerged at this point ever since the Narcotics Control Bureau, which has been investigating this entire case. Alok, over to you. If you can give us a brief understanding of the names that have emerged and the connections that has now been established between Shobik Chakravarti or Samuel Miranda, both who are currently being questioned by the NCB, and the names of different drug peddlers who are also now doing the rounds.
Well, Apurva, as of now, around 4 persons have already been put under arrest and 1 person is already detained. And these all 5 persons are suspected to be the drug peddlers who were providing these drugs to the celebrities. Especially, they were working in one of the networks. And this network is basically was providing the drugs to the people who are in the Bollywood industry. And Shobik and also Samuel Miranda are found to be the part of that drug link. As of now, this drug which we are talking about is the drug called bud, and this is a fine quality kind of drug of marijuana. And in fact, these people were asking Shobik and Samuel Miranda were asking these drugs from the drug peddlers who are already been put under arrest. As of now, what we are getting to know from NCB sources, Shobik was the person who was dealing directly with Jayed, who was already been arrested. Jayed is a drug peddler, and then Jayed had sent Basit to deliver the consignment to Samuel Miranda, and Samuel Miranda was sent by Shobik. So this is the whole chain that is being come out of in the investigation of Narcotics Control Bureau. As of now, they are saying that there are multiple chains that are operating, and they are working on it. In the coming days, in the coming hours, more arrests may likely to be taken place, and also the summons likely to be issued to other persons who are working in this particular chain. As of now, both these persons, Shobik and Samuel Miranda, are being questioned by the NCB officials. In fact, some of the recoveries are also made. Their mobile phones and also the laptops have been seized by the Narcotics Control Bureau. They are saying that they are trying to get more evidences against them. Then only they will be put under arrest. They have been summoned today, in fact, under Section 41B of NDPS Act, and they are saying that their further interrogation will be conducted, and they might be confronted to the drug peddlers who are already in the custody of police. So NCB. So as of now, their interrogations are on, and there more revelations may likely to come in the coming hours. Back to you.
All right, Alok, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates there in this case.